Now Bafana Bafana has qualified for the World Cup. Some of the big names now wants to change their nationality, guys, to join Bafana Bafana. Guys, all of a sudden now Victor Kagaskeli, the PSG player, guys, wants to join South Africa Bafana Bafana in the World Cup, guys. So the thing is now a lot of people are fighting that where was he when Bafana Bafana was fighting for the sport in the World Cup, guys. So now even the Minister of Sport, guys, has said something about this. Here's the clip of Minister of Sport responding to Victor Kagaskeli, guys.
I pray to say Hugo Bruce. I can't at least about one long overseas all of a sudden now. You know, you see that happening with teams. They play with local guys when they qualify. All of a sudden now people are being called, oh no, my grandfather was South African. You know, my grandfather was in South Africa, my great-grandfather, man, was in South Africa. I must play, you must, no. Then they're going to show us miracles. We don't want those things of, no. You know, my aunt is from South Africa. I'm told I was born in Soweto. Yeah, I was born in Soweto. I'm now on my South African citizenship. Whoa. Preferring our players. We have our players. We must go with the people that got us there.
Yep, guys, that was Victor Kagaskeli wants to join Bafana Bafana, guys. I don't know what's your take on this one. You can leave your views or comment in the comment section, guys. I really love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first to know whenever I upload a new video here on this channel. Once again, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.